Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And first off, we've got something from the United States. It's a bag. I wonder what it is. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Rad. Check it out. It's a rad t-shirt. It's a Tapatio t-shirt. Let's see if it fits. And it does. Cool. Thank you very much. Well, wait a second. Why am I getting a Tapatio t-shirt? It must have something to do with whatever's in this box. Let's crack it open and see what's in here. You want to know what was in that box? Well, it's extra spicy. Yep, it's extra spicy Tapatio Ramen. It's not Tapatio, okay? It's Tapatio. I've never run into anybody who's pronounced it Tapatio or Tapatio, but yeah, it's Tapatio. At least as far as I know. I hope it is. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. But I'll tell you right now, I am stoked on this. I saw these on Amazon, and I emailed the folks that I talked to before at United Exchange Corporation, and they were more than happy to send a flat of them. So thank you very much. Check that dude out. This guy's rad. Yeah, I'm stoked. Instant Noodle Recipe Time show. I'll do a mukbang. I am jazzed. So yeah, thanks to the folks over at United Exchange Corp for shooting these over. And yeah, look, you can look forward to that. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.